Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato. Today I'll be making for you stuffed Lilikoi honey butter toast. In a small glass or ceramic bowl, combine the butter, honey, and Lilikoi syrup. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds, then stir until smooth. Place the bread slices on a lined baking sheet and brush the tops with half of the honey butter mixture. Sprinkle half of the sugar evenly over the buttered side of each slice. Bake the bread in a preheated 350-degree oven for 5 minutes. Flip the slices over, then brush with the remaining honey butter mixture and sprinkle on the rest of the sugar. Return the toast to the oven and bake for another 5 minutes or until both sides are golden and crisp while the center remains soft. The toast is perfect for slicing on a diagonal and stuffing with mango and whipped cream or your favorite sweet filling for a delicious treat. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.